Hey BMW fans, ready to feel the thrill of drifting with a BMW? Today, we're revealing why BMW is the ultimate drift machine. Powerful, balanced, and built for control. If BMW runs in your veins, hit subscribe and smash that like button. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the heart of BMW's drifting excellence, its rear-wheel drive system. This isn't just a random choice. It's a carefully engineered setup designed to give drivers precise control. By sending all the engine's power exclusively to the rear wheels, BMW allows drivers to break traction exactly when they want, controlling the drift's angle and length with incredible accuracy. Unlike front-wheel or all-wheel drive cars, which distribute power differently and limit the ability to slide smoothly, BMW's rear-wheel drive layout gives a direct mechanical link to the wheels responsible for the drift. This means more predictable slides and the ability to modulate power for subtle or aggressive drifts. It's this direct connection between driver and machine that turns drifting into a true art form. But power alone isn't enough. Balance plays a huge role. That's why BMW's near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution is a game-changer. This even weight split ensures the car reacts predictably to every steering input and throttle change. During a drift, the car's center of gravity shifts dramatically as it slides sideways. Thanks to BMW's precise engineering, this weight balance keeps the car stable and smooth, preventing those wild fishtails that can ruin a drift or cause loss of control. This means drivers can push their cars harder with confidence, making long, flowing drifts feel natural and controlled rather than chaotic and dangerous. Of course, none of this would be possible without the engines powering these machines. BMW's turbocharged inline-six engines provide instant torque even at low RPMs, making it easy to break rear-wheel traction on demand. Take, for example, the BMW M3's 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six, which delivers both strong mid-range torque and high-revving power, ideal for controlling slides at various speeds. The powerful V8 engines, found in models like the M5 and M8, add that deep, thunderous growl and raw horsepower needed to maintain long, controlled slides with ease. The combination of power and throttle responsiveness is what keeps every drift exciting and fully under the driver's control, whether you're initiating a quick flick or holding a prolonged drift around a tight corner. Now, let's move on to how BMW handles all this power during a drift. Their advanced suspension and chassis technology are designed for precision and stability. BMW uses adaptive dampers that automatically adjust stiffness based on driving conditions, ensuring the suspension remains firm enough to resist excessive body roll during aggressive cornering, but compliant enough to maintain tire contact and traction. The multi-link rear suspension allows each wheel to respond independently, improving grip and stability mid-drift. Stiff anti-roll bars reduce chassis lean, making the car more responsive to steering inputs. Additionally, the chassis itself is built with increased torsional rigidity to minimize flexing under high lateral loads. This structural stiffness provides immediate and predictable feedback through the steering wheel, helping drivers make split-second adjustments to keep the drift balanced and controlled. Finally, let's talk about technology that enhances rather than restricts the driver's skill. BMW's Dynamic Stability Control, DSC, and traction control systems are smartly designed so they can be dialed down or fully switched off, allowing experienced drifters to push their cars to the limit without unwanted intervention. When engaged, these systems provide a safety net by preventing excessive wheel spin or loss of control, which is especially helpful for beginners learning the ropes. However, by giving the driver full control to disable these aids, BMW ensures that advanced drivers can express their style and technique freely, making each drift a unique display of skill. All these factors come together to make BMW the king of drifting. From engineering and perfect balance to powerful engines and advanced tech, BMW provides the ultimate platform for mastering the drift. Whether you're a newcomer dreaming of your first slide or a seasoned pro chasing perfection, BMW gives you the tools to make every drift count. Have you ever tried drifting a BMW or dreamed of doing it? Share your experience with us. And don't forget to subscribe to BMW Zone for more epic BMW content.